So hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the question 3 on the prefix sum. Okay. So the question is, let's say, okay. So suppose you are given an array. Okay. ARR equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Okay, and you'll be given q queries. Suppose let's say q is 3, and with the left and right index. So first query is l is equal to 1, l is equal to 4, l is equal to 3. Second query is l equal to 0, so l equal to 5, 4, and l equal to 2, comma, l equal to, let's say, 4. So these three queries are given, and you have to return the output or print the sum between this thing. So from index 1 to index 3, we have to print the sum of this. So in the first query, what will be the output? Output will be, so from index 1, that is 1, 2, 3, that is 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So which is 9 plus 6. Okay, that is 15. And for second, the second query, we have 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the sum of all the elements in an array. So 0 slash p equal to, so 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 1, which is here 10, 15, 15 plus 9, okay, 19. The third query, it will be 2 to 4, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 12. Okay, so we have to find the sum of this. So what will be the brute force approach? If you see, let's say I create main method in that. Okay, what will be brute force approach? Initially I'll take the input, or let's say, okay, I'll take the input. For that we need a scanner. S equal to new system.in. So first I'll take the input n equal to s dot next n as the number of elements in the array, and then int arr equal to new int n. Then I'll take the input for array elements I 0 to I is less than n, I plus plus, okay, and ar of I equal to s dot next n. Now we have to take one more input for queries, and q into q is equal to s dot next n. Again for queries you have to take inputs. So let's say int queries equal to new int, so q and 2. Okay, so we are having left and right, and q queries. So we you can see here 3 rows and 2 columns. So we will store 1 comma 3 to 0 comma 4 and 2 comma 4. Okay, so we'll take input int I equal to 0 to I is less than q, I plus plus, query of I 0 equal to s dot next int, again query of I of 1 equal to s dot next int. Yeah. Now we are having our input. So what will be the brute force approach for int I equal to 0 to k I plus plus for each query? What we have to do for int j equal to from L, so j is less than or okay. So here instead of L, what we have to do? Okay, so here q queries are there. So first, we have already stored it in the queries array. So query of I of 0. So our left is 0. J is less than or equal to query of I of 1, j plus plus. Okay, this is what is this? So 0, at index 0 we are storing this one, and at index 1 we are storing this 3. Okay, so here it's both I have written L. So one is R, okay, left knee, right knee, and right index. So now we have to find the sum. So here, let's say I'll take some variable, then I'll add some plus equal to what ARR of in the array G. And now I have to print the sum. We can print in this way also, sum from index. So what is left? So left index I and 0 from 2 is query of I of 1 is, so we can print in this way and run the code. Okay, I'll take the same examples. So here, so first we have to input the number of elements in an array, so 5. Then elements in an array 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. Then we have to write the number of queries, so 3 queries, that is 1 and 3, 0 and 4, 2 and 4. So you can see here, so we already have calculated or found the output of these three queries. So from 1 to 3 it's 15. You can see here 19 and 12. Okay, so this is what brute force approaches. But here what we are doing, see, we are calculating 4 plus 5 plus 6 15, again 3 plus, so here 4 plus 5 plus 6 we are again calculating, so instead of that we can use directly 15, right? So here we will use the concept of prefix. So I'll comment it out. This. Okay. So how we can use the prefix sum and prefix? First we okay. So first we have to find the prefix sum. So what was our array? Our array was so here only I will explain. Okay. So our array was 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. And what is our prefix formula? Prefix of I equal to prefix of I minus 1 plus ARR of I. And what is prefix of 0? Prefix of 0 equal to ARR of 0. Okay, so these two formulas you should remember while finding the prefix. So what will be our prefix array? Okay, we have to find the prefix array. So 3 comma 3 plus 4 is 7, comma 7 plus 5 is 12, comma 12 plus 6 is 18, comma 19. This is our prefix L. Okay, this is our prefix array. Now, if I want the sum between index 1 and 3, so here you can see index 1 and 3. So what is our output is 15. So what is the formula which I already said in the first lecture, I mean first video of the prefix sum? Prefix of L comma, I mean prefix sum of L comma R equal to prefix of R minus prefix of L minus 1. Okay, so prefix till R, so we want till the sum, till the last index, right? So here what is 1 2 3, so till here, but minus this thing. So if the our last index is till 1, I mean the till the I is equal to 4, so if we say this sum we want, then what we have to do, we have to subtract this thing from the whole. Okay, so our arrays, our sum will be total, so let's say our total sum is 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 1, but we only want this, then we have to subtract 3 plus 4, and 3 plus 4 we already have stored in the index this, right? So we know till that index the sum, right? So here what we have to do, this thing you have to follow. So first we'll calculate the prefix array. Okay, let's say int prefix is equal to new int n, yeah, n, and int I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus prefix of. Okay, again here what I have already said, prefix of 0 is ARR of 0, prefix of I, and also we have to start loop from I is equal to 1, prefix of I minus 1 plus ARR of I. Okay, so now we have our prefix array. What we have to do, we have to just use the loop in I equal to 0 to I is less than q for queries I plus plus. Now let's say we'll use the same print statement. Yeah. So here, okay, what will be our sum? It's in sum equal to prefix of this formula we have to remember or use here, prefix of r and l minus 1. What is our right index, I mean the rightmost index? It's q query array of I of what is right, it's 1. Okay, minus. So see here, this is left and this is right. At index 0 we have stored the left one, at index 1 we have stored the right thing, rightmost index. Okay, so here from rightmost index we have to subtract the left, I mean the prefix sum. Okay, query of I of 0 minus 1. So this is our leftmost index minus 1 we have to. Okay, so here we have to also check if, see here we have query of I of 0 minus 1. Suppose our left is 0, then 0 minus 1 will be minus 1. Then we will get the, what we'll get? We'll get array out of bound index. So here we have to check if query of I of 0 equal to 0, that means what is our sum? Our sum will be the only this prefix of q of I minus 1, right? Sum equal to this thing. We'll declare the sum about both. Okay. Else, else we have to use this thing. Okay. I'll now run 5. What was our input? Yeah. 3 space 4 space 5 space 6 space 1. Again 3 queries. 1 space 3, 0 space 4, 2 space 4. Okay, you can see we are getting the same output. Okay, why I did this here in this formula, we have one more thing here. This is formula when L is not equal to 0. Okay, with condition L is not equal to 0. One. We have seen the today we solved the question 3. Sorry for the background now noise. Okay, so in this way we can solve the question 3 in two ways. One is using prefix sum and one is now approach. Okay, thank you.